Hey guys, it's XayLi of XayLiBarclay.com. I am the creator of the Start, Shoot, Grow Video Academy, where I teach you how to start your video journey, shoot, as in shoot video, and shoot for the stars, and just grow your online presence and really connect with people that really matter, your ideal audience, through smart, strategic video content. So, today we're talking about why you should attend conferences and live business events. You need to do it. I can't tell you, like, I got back from San Diego a few weeks ago. I attended Social Media Marketing World and I did not want to, but let me tell you, life changing. So I have a really good friend. His name is Rob over at Thinkific. If you don't know about Thinkific, definitely do your research or head down in my description box, because a lot of what I do is hosted on Thinkific. My academy is hosted on Thinkific as well. Amazing course platform. However, Rob told me, he was like, we were talking casually. He was like, are you coming to Social Media Marketing World? I was like, no. And he was like, no, you should come. And so let me tell you a little bit about me. I am an introvert. I am not really always, like about meeting people in person. I've worked online for so long that I've kind of fallen out of touch with creating a personal connection with people. And so because I work for myself, I am alone a lot. I'm working a lot. I'm always on the computer a lot. So for me, I was like, Rob, I don't know. But he was like, no, you should come. So, Rob, I'm putting you on the spot. But I was like, you know what? Let me just go see what it's like. Let me tell you, my registration process I was petrified. I was like, oh my gosh, am I really doing this? I felt like throwing up, literally, because I am the introvert of all introverts. It's a live event, a lot of people. And so I was like, let me do it. Best thing I've ever done. And so I'm going to share with you a few reasons why, if you are an online business owner or an influencer, you need to attend live events. You just need to incorporate this into part of your business strategy, your business marketing. You need to do it. So let's dive into why you need to do this. Before I dive in, I am on the panel at Video Marketing World this coming year. It's going to be in Dallas. It's August, and I will leave that information down in the description box as well. You can also get $100 off of your ticket if you enter my coupon code, and I'll put all of that info down below. So make sure, I'm telling you about events, but you don't want to miss this one because I'll be there. So let me dive in. So the first thing we all know is, as an online business owner, it gets lonely. Sometimes, your bestie is not into online business, your partner is not into online business, your mom is not into online business. And it's so crazy because when you attend an event like that, it's kind of the equivalent of if you are in a 9-to-5 or a corporate situation, you have conferences for those, or, you have team meetings with your team members and things like that. When you work for yourself and you work in an online business, you don't really have that. So you need to be around people that can spark that interest, make you rethink your goals and make you rethink your strategies and things like that. I mean, you are all speaking the same language. And for me, that was definitely something that I was like, oh my gosh, why wasn't I doing this before? So just community is really huge, and you're able to find your tribe. You're able to connect with people that probably, are doing the same thing you do or are in the same industry that you are in. I mean, it is insane. And this is coming from someone who does not interact with people in person a lot. So if you've been wondering if you should be attending those events, definitely go. The second thing is, this is the first time that I've realized how important in-person relationships really are for your online business, because you get to connect with people who are probably ahead of you in your business. And so that in-person connection, I can't tell you that, like, the crazy names of people I got to sit with at Social Media Marketing World. That was a huge, huge thing. The relationships that were deepened in person and that I was able to continue online is such a blessing. And I'm so excited for the people that I was able to connect with and meet. And that definitely translates into business, because then you guys are organically attracted to each other and understanding more about what what the other does, and how you're able to help. Like, the collaborations come so naturally that, man, it's really, really insane. And then you realize that other online businesses or other online business owners are craving that connection as well, because online business does get lonely. The next thing you're able to do is meet people who need your products and services. I met so many people there, and I actually met one person there that said, that said, live events are part of his business strategy, right? So it's part of, what he does every year to market his business. He said 60% of his revenue comes from online business. That's insane. That's something that you want to be a part of. So it's worth spending that money to get to that place, because you're definitely going to reap the rewards 10 times over in your own business. So definitely, if you are thinking about things like that, like for me, I know I teach video content. If I'm in a place with coaches and a lot of people are, shy or afraid of the camera, and that's where I dominate. I help you to really get comfortable in front of the camera, command the camera, and just create amazing content that is connected to, your brand's core values and your brand's, products and services and all of that stuff. So if I'm in a place where I know there are going to be lots of coaches and business owners who obviously need video content, then hey, hello, great place to connect. So somebody might need your services. Let's say you're a web designer, let's say you're a coach. You need to be at your, find conferences that definitely relate to your industry. Now, the next thing is, I can't even remember what number we're on right now. But the last one that I want to touch on is brands. You're able to remember, well, if you don't know, I came from the influencer side of things, and then I created a full-blown business. So coming from the influencer side of things, I understand how important it is to work with brands. So now my focus is working with brands that are in the business and marketing industry. So for me, I was focused on meeting brands. I've been using their products for years, so I wanted to connect with people with those brands to know what they're doing next, to let them know how valuable their products are. And I realized that that is something that a lot of people weren't doing. So I'm kind of giving you my secret. Listen, if you've been using a brand that makes a difference in your business, especially if you're working online, pass by and say hi to them. Let them know how valuable their product has been to your business, and you're able to create organic relationships in that way as well. So definitely think about everything that I just dropped here. If you have any questions about conferences, definitely leave them down below. I'll be happy to share my experiences or let you know some more. And if you felt like you got some valuable info and I've encouraged you to attend a conference or a live event, definitely let me know down below as well. So please subscribe, share, and comment down below. I look forward to connecting with you in the comments, and I will see you soon. Take care.